Meaning of hard shoulder.
Hard shoulder.
Hard shoulder.
Hard shoulder.
Hard shoulder. A hard shoulder is a reserved lane on the side of a roadway that is intended for use by emergency vehicles and for breakdowns. This area is often paved and is located adjacent to the main driving lanes. In the event of a vehicle breakdown or other emergency, drivers are advised to move their vehicles over to the hard shoulder to avoid blocking traffic. It is important to note that using the hard shoulder for anything other than emergency situations is illegal and can lead to fines or other penalties.